And so, J.I., we are going to have a birthday party for you.
Wow.
Okay? And you just tell me whom you would like to invite. You can invite anyone, but only 10 people. Okay, let's sing happy birthday to J.I.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Before we sing the second stanza, J.I. wants a gift. And you know what he wants for his birthday? He wants a puppy. And I told him, I am your puppy. You see, our dog, Brownie, gave birth to 6 puppies. But you see, all of them died except for one. So I guess, you know, it is God's will for J.I. to have the puppy of Brownie. Do you like the puppy of Brownie? J.I.? I thought you liked a mini pincher. But he likes me to put the puppy of Brownie inside the box. Okay, let's sing the second stanza.
Happy birthday to